Hello friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your issues that you have on Twitter. To know how to fix or how to solve your Twitter app, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you click apps, default apps, app settings. After that in this page, you will enter to the window of Twitter. When you find this list of app info, you will click on first stop and you click OK. After that we'll enter to storage. Here we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can make errors on your app. And in the end you can turn off your phone. You will wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.